If you've recently bought a Russell Hobbs rice cooker or you're thinking about getting one, watch this video to see how to cook white rice in it. I have the larger of the two rice cookers, but I've put links to both models in the description. So this is what comes with this model. So you've got the lid, which has got a hole for the steam to escape from. It's got a plastic measuring cup. It's 1 cup per rice serving. It's got the measurements on the side there. And then it's got this plastic spatula for turning and fluffing up the rice at the end. This is the basket for steaming vegetables, meat or the fish. This is the bowl for the rice, which has the water fill marks on it in cups and litres. You can just see there. So that all fits inside like that. And then you've got the instructions, which isn't too in-depth, but probably just about enough to get you started. It's got the list of timings for the vegetables just down the side here and some of the meat and fish, and then instructions for how to cook the rice. It's a shame there aren't more recipes in it though, but it's, like I said, it's probably enough just to get you started. So I'm cooking 4 portions of long grain rice, so that's 1 cup of rice per serving. According to Russell Hobbs, this particular one has a capacity for 14 servings. I've not tried that many. I'm not sure that many would fit in, but maybe it does. But it's certainly big enough for us as a family of 5. Then wash the rice under cold water like you would normally till the water is clear. Then pour water up to the corresponding line in the bowl. So for me here, with 4 portions of rice, I'm filling it up to the 4-cup line, which hopefully you can just about see on the inside of the pot there. So the instructions say to give the bowl a 1/4 turn each way to make sure the bottom is in contact with the element. So that's what I'm just doing here. Then next, you're going to put the lid on and you switch it on. It's really simple to get it started. I really like the simplicity of this rice cooker. So there's the on switch at the side there. And then you come to the front and you need to flick the switch down so that the light is on the left-hand side as you look at it. Then when the rice cooker is finished, the light will come on the right-hand side. So this particular time, I think, took about maybe 20 to 25 minutes. I probably should have timed it. So carefully take the lid off. The steam is really hot. Should probably wear oven gloves. And the instructions say to leave it to rest for 10 minutes before serving. So once those 10 minutes are up, you can grab the plastic spatula that came with it and fluff the rice up. This will also help to get the hot steam out. So again, you might want to wear an oven glove or just take care whilst you're doing it. But the rice is cooked through really well. I'm really happy with the consistency of it. It's not too dry or too wet. One thing to know though is sometimes with some rice you do get that sort of crust forming on the bottom. It's not burnt, but it is like you sometimes get in a saucepan. But it's really easy just to clean. It's a really easy rice cooker to clean, like the pot can go in the dishwasher, the inner pot. So as you can see, the rice is a really good consistency. I really like it. I do recommend it for the price. It's really reasonable. If you've got any questions about this rice cooker, just leave it in the comments below and I'll answer it. I'm going to be doing more recipes for it, like some of the vegetables, some different rice dishes. I have done a curried rice over on my blog if you want to check that out. I'll link to that in the description below as well. Be really great if you could subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helped me to make more. I do plan to do a lot more product reviews because I get quite a lot of people contacting me asking me what I think of certain appliances. So I shall certainly start working through all the ones that I've got, which are quite a few, and I shall do videos on them and tell you what I think about them. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.